Hey, I'm Chris with Gutterman. I got Herver above me up there, and he's out here hanging some big 6-inch gutters today in Reston. Here you go, man. Of course, big downspouts, they drain a lot more water. Big gutters carry a lot more water. And I don't know how you feel about it, but I think the climate's changing around here. And clearly it keeps raining. So the old house had 5-inch gutters on it, little ones. Little downspouts, drains the size of a drain in a bathtub. So when I think about a roof that's this big, I kind of think to myself, how fast would that roof fill up my bathtub versus how fast would my bathtub drain the water out? That's why I like big downspouts. The big downspouts will drain the water out very, very quickly, pretty much about 3 times faster than the old spouts. So Herver's up there hanging these gutters. He knows what he's doing. He's a champion at it. And we would love it if you call Gutterman. See what we can do for you. We've installed gutters for many, many years in Northern Virginia. We're out here in Reston. It's spring. It's a sunny day, and we hope you're having a good one. Hope your basement's dry. I'm Chris from Gutterman.